For loop is a fancier while loop with initialization and iterator. Just type for parentheses and curly brackets, or type for, click double tabs and it will auto-completes. Inside these parentheses are the three sections. First is the initialization for the index, or I in short. Second is the condition to keep the loop running while it's true. And third is the iterator that increments or decrements the index after each loop. Now, let's display these fruits using for. First off, change this length into fruits.length to iterate the whole array. Next, let's print them using console.writeLine. Great. All of the fruits are displayed. So how does this for loop exactly work? Before the loop will begin, we tell the for loop to initialize an index. Next, it will ask if the condition is true. Our I is 0. And 0 is less than this fruit's length, which is 3. So, we can proceed. And after that, it will proceed to iteration, and add 1. Then it will go to this condition and ask if our I less than 3. If it's true, it will run the codes inside these curly brackets again, until this condition is false. Now we know how the loop works, let's try a little harder. By looping a 2D array using nested for loop, let's create a new for loop with another for loop inside. Change I into j to have another index. And to iterate each array of foods, we can change this length into foods.length. And to get each food from their array, change this nested length into foods square braces I and dot length. Add the codes for printing and for spacing as well. Now they're printed nicely. You can also practice with your own arrays. And here's a little extra for loop that you can read at Microsoft's documentation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Happy coding everyone.